Jamaica, a small island with undeniably big presence on the world stage. And my question is, how does this small Caribbean nation hold such power, influence, and strength? And today, I will dive deep into what makes Jamaica not just a country, but a global powerhouse. So first, let's talk about the culture. Jamaica has given the world more than just a reggae. It has given us a movement, from Bobby Marley's to modern day artists. Jamaican music has been a voice of empowerment, resistance, and unity worldwide. And this culture, whether through reggae, dancehall, or the Rastafarian movement, has inspired millions. And let's not forget about the Jamaica's incredible athletes, especially in track and field, who dominates global competition and give Jamaicans everywhere a deep sense of pride. And also, Jamaican's history is one of strength and resilience.
As you all know that
Colonized and forced into
Jamaica's
slavery,
history is one of the
the
strength
Jamaican
and
people
resilience.
rose above centuries of
Colonized
oppression,
and forced into
gaining
slavery.
independence in the year 1962.
The Jamaicans people rose
And
above
today,
centuries of
the spirit of
okay.
resistance and pride in their heritage keeps Jamaica pushing forward despite economic challenges. Jamaicans have a long history of standing up against injustice, leading to a strong sense of national identity and resilience. That independence, that fight for self-determination shows Jamaicans' inner power. And despite being a small island, Jamaica's diplomatic influence is felt worldwide. Jamaica stands as a beacon of leadership in the Caribbean, often taking a strong stance in global organizations. And Jamaican diplomats advocate for climate change action, human rights, and equitable development. And this small nation is not afraid to speak up for what's right. Proving strength is not always about the size, it's about the courage to lead. And one thing I noticed is that Jamaican's true strength lies in its people. And Jamaicans are known for their friend lines, resilience, and their pride. Whether it's a neighbor leading a hand, all families coming together to support each other, the sense of community runs deep. And these guys have taken their culture abroad, building communities in places like UK, US, and maybe Canada, while staying true to their roots. And so my question is, why Jamaica is so strong and powerful? It's because of its people, its culture, and its courage to stand tall. From reggae messages of peace and unity to the undeniable pride every Jamaican holds. Jamaica is more than just a country. It's a global symbol of resilience, culture, strength. It might be small, but its influence is larger than life. Another thing is economy. Jamaican's economy is another key part of its strength. While tourism remains a major industry, Jamaican is also known for its high-quality exports like Blue Mountains coffee, spices, and rum. But it does not stop there. Jamaican entrepreneurs and innovators are pushing boundaries in technology, agriculture, and also suitable practices, showing that the island's influence extends well beyond beaches and resorts. And this adaptability and drive to innovate reveals a deep strength rooted in self-reliance and vision for the future. And so, Jamaica's power does not stop at its borders. The Jamaican diaspora, spread across the world, has played a vital role in carrying and expanding the island's legacy. And Jamaicans abroad have become leaders in businesses, medicine, entertainment, and also sports. The culture is celebrated globally, from Notting Hill's Carnival in London to the reggae festivals of Japan. And the influence of Jamaicans in every corner of the globe amplifies Jamaicans' power, showing that being Jamaicans is not more than a nationality, it's a global identity. And now, let's hear from you. What's your favorite thing about Jamaica? Is it the music? Is it the food? The warm spirit? Or maybe Jamaicans' impact on the world stage? Leave your thoughts in the comments, and we will feature some in our next video. And remember, Jamaican strength also lives in the stories we share. So let's keep this conversation going. And before I wrap up, here are a few fun facts that might surprise you. Did you know that Jamaica was the first Caribbean country to gain independence in the year 1962? Or that it was the birthplace of Marcus Garvey, one of the most influential leaders in Pan-Africanism. And Jamaica's bobsled team, despite coming from a tropical island, has become a symbol of determination and grit on the global sports scene. And these facts only add to Jamaicans' reputations as a nation that breaks barriers. So thank you so much for joining me in celebrating Jamaicans' power and spirit. Let's continue to honor and spread the message of Jamaicans' resilient culture and influence. Whether you are a Jamaican or a fan from afar, keep sharing that Jamaicans' pride with the world. Yes, and stay tuned for our next video, where we will dive into another incredible story from the Caribbean. Until then, keep shining like Jamaica.